Hello guys, it's me from KazzGuides. Today I'm going to show you how to install Nuked-Klan CMS for your gaming community. So go ahead and start up your browser. And navigate to KazzGuides.tk. And navigate to downloads. And here you go, Nuked-Klan 1.7.9. And then click on download. Now we'll have to wait a few seconds. Alright, you don't need to save the file, so you can just open it with the program you're using. I'm using WinRAR. Minimize. Alright, just drag down upload into your desktop. We won't be needing the other files. There you go, close it down. Now open up your FileZilla or the FTP program you're using. So just click connect. There you go. Open up upload and hit Control A. And then drag them to your FTP program. And then right click and process Q. Sorry for my bad pronouncement. And then I'll be back when the files are done. So see you in a bit. Hello guys, well, it's done now. So I just found out that if you're using 00 or web host, you don't need to shmud the Nuked-Klan. So if you're having problems with it, so just shmud these files. I'll post them on my website so you can see it later. So let's go to our website. Can't even remember my website name. Alright, let's go. And it should take you to install. Yeah, okay. So you can choose between French and English. So I'm gonna choose English, submit, and then start the installation. And like you see, we're not having any error, just this one, but it's not that important, so we'll just go ahead and click continue and read this because it's important. I don't want to send anything, so I'll just confirm. Quick installation. Alright, go to your web host. Like I said, I'm using web host 00 web host, so I'm just gonna log in here and create a database. There you go. Scroll down until you see this dolphin and then type in a database name, Kaz1, Kaz2, alright, and just a random password. Let's see if it works. Yes, alright. Okay, that's the Mushkal server. Database name, database password, I mean username, and the password at least. Let's go. Then click submit. And now it's creating tables on the database, so I'll just wait. Click start, I forgot about that, sorry, my bad. I'm sorry this is taking some time, but I think it's my internet that's slow today. I have no idea, so we'll just wait. It's almost done. Alright, it's finished. So just click continue. Yay, now pseudo means username. It's a different language, so just type in your username, KazzGuides, password, random one, and the mail, KazzGuides. There we go. Submit. We're done. Access your website. Now go back to your FTP and then delete install. Click on the folder and hit delete on your keyboard. Whoops. And then click yes. Alright, that didn't work. Reconnect. Click on it. Delete. Yes. There we go. Take some time because well, here's our website. Yay, looking good. So let's log in. Login process, administration, and login again. Alright, we're in now. So basically this is our admin panel. So click on configuration, general preferences, and then you can manage the title of your website. Let's say KazzGuides game. Copy that, type it in here, and 1 2 3, just something, I don't know, and then click modify, and you will see here, hold on a second, whoops, if I only knew my website name. There we go, KazzGuides game. I have no idea why I wrote that, but anyways, so go on to configuration again, general preferences, and where it says website theme, this is the theme you're using, impact underscore nuke. So we'll just download a theme now, and I'll show you how to install it. So type in Nuked-Klan themes, and on the right corner at the top it says English, the English flag, so just click it so it gets easier to navigate. So let's find a good theme. So let's go ahead and download this one. Yeah, this looks quite okay, so we'll just go ahead and click download this template and wait a few seconds. There you go, click X. Whoops, shouldn't have done that. Click again, wait a few seconds. Sorry about this, guys, I'm pretty tired. Anyways, open up, there you go, NX underline next nest, so drag it down to your desktop, click X, reconnect to your FTP, scroll down until you see themes, click, and then drag and drop. Alright, the files are done, so just the refresh, go back, and then go to your website and just click configuration, panel, and then configuration, general preferences, and then scroll down, and you should have the theme. Yeah, there it is. Then scroll down again, modify, and then let's see if it works. Whoops, there we go. Yeah, it works. So basically the reason we're not having a pretty good theme is because we haven't got any modules or anything, models, sorry, my bad. So yeah, basically you just mix with it and do whatever you like. And this was a guide from KazzGuides. So guys, please visit my website and yeah, make an account and help me out. You can always show KazzGuides some love by donating, or yeah. We even have a live support. You can earn money by making an AdFly account. But that's everything, guys. So thank you and see you next time.